How to use Chat GPT to optimize your videos. Start by brainstorming a list of keywords and phrases related to your video topic. For example, if you're creating a video on healthy meal prep, your keywords might include meal prep, healthy meals, nutrition, and healthy eating. Use Chat GPT to generate video title and description ideas. Input your list of keywords and phrases into the Chat GPT tool and let it generate ideas for your video title and description. For example, if you input healthy meal prep into Chat GPT, it might generate the title 5 Easy and Healthy Meal Prep Recipes for the Week, and the description, learn how to prepare nutritious meals in advance with these simple and delicious recipes. Use Chat GPT to generate tags for your video. Input your list of keywords and phrases into the Chat GPT tool and let it generate tags for your video. For example, if you input healthy meal prep into Chat GPT, it might generate tags such as meal prep ideas, healthy eating, meal prep recipes, and nutrition. Use Chat GPT to optimize your video script. Input your video script into the Chat GPT tool and let it generate suggestions for optimizing your video content. For example, if you're creating a video on 5 easy and healthy meal prep recipes for the week, Chat GPT might suggest elaborating on the nutritional benefits of each recipe or adding more details on how to meal prep efficiently. Use Chat GPT to optimize your video transcript. Once your video is complete, input the transcript into Chat GPT and let it generate suggestions for optimizing the transcript. For example, if your video transcript mentions healthy meal prep several times, Chat GPT might suggest adding synonyms or related keywords like clean eating, nutritious meals, and meal planning. By using Chat GPT to optimize your video content, you can improve its overall quality and increase its visibility on search engines. With compelling video titles and descriptions, relevant tags, and optimized scripts and transcripts, you can create informative and engaging video content that resonates with your audience and drives traffic to your channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. We appreciate your support and can't wait to share more valuable content with you.